Good evening, Sandusipo. Good evening, Princess Marvin. Yes, this Yellow Talk Show. This is Uyedo Talk Show. Good evening, song.
Baba Prophet, a prison organ, our number. Hey, police officer, Osariana Wado, you gonna see money in the news. The money not go down at all. I don't know.
Child, yeah, Osariana.
Help ya, Baba, action. They go
Good evening, Tessie. You're sniping. Bye. Go and meet your mom. Okay? Never know. Sorry, Sunshine, shut up. Good evening. Good evening, Destiny Omoruji. Yeah, maybe it's correct. Good evening, Sophia Pablo. Our Amonya, money before I'll talk now. Oh. Oh, why yeah. Oh, yes, before Sarah, yes. Able to ọgbẹ́. Oh, ẹ̀ọ́bìà òkú ọ̀fìn yẹn yẹ mọ̀mọ́. Yeah, this Uyado Talk Show, the Kokobiri Master is back again. Yeah, this me Uyado Talk Show. Yeah, I can't come out. Good evening to all my brother, my sister, my friends, my fans, my viewers, those that are sharing my program, that are subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is not me Uyado Talk Show. I can't come out now. I can't talk about most issues where they involve our women. Wait, we say when woman to go church or your woman carry church put for head, I want to tell you and why women they disrespect man for Europe. As some of the causes, I want to make everybody know. Because today, I want to let our women know and our men know. Because we don't see and say why some men, they support women. I will let you know. Yes, I need to put on. And the reason why some men, that one go to, they support women, I will let you know. Because we don't see, and I know be only America, they happen, way pastor, they we go let our men know today, say, most married women, most single mother where they go church, whether Germany, Italy, anywhere, where carry church for head, make una know pastor, they back on your now we want to talk now. Because many issues don't take go and they say, our women, they disrespect me. Some of the reasons wey make our women they disrespect me, no they respect their husband, use their husband turn to as a sleepers, turn to boy. I wan let una know. Like visual you go. What is that? What's on? Huh? What's on? Omalogo, okay, come. You want go meet? You want go my room? So the reason Nigeria people no know God. In short, God no dey Nigeria again. God don run. Comot from Nigeria people. God run. Because God runs. The pastor don vandalize all the married women finish. Now, why I can't come out as an Uyado come talk this issue? Make una open una eye. Any woman, the reason wey make women dey disrespect men, wey make women use their husband turn to ask a boy for Europe, and now I wan let una know. Because we don see am as they don do am something, they go dey carry am dey spoil our women for Africa, for Naija. And yes, I must sanitize where I dey before I sanitize those ones dey Naija. I need to sanitize Europe where I dey. The life our men and the women are living is not a good life. When women, the reason why women they disrespect man, why? Wetin be the reason? I wan let una know. I am the Uyado Talk Show, the husband to all single mother, the Kokobiri master. Many women don't look men as sleepers. Why? Many men dey, why some men, any man wanna see say, and even some presenter, you know why I'm under tell them because they never reach my standard. No, get weapon reach your standard, you say yes. Those are president they challenge each other. When rat in the choke on your liver. Any man wey you see say e dey join women anyhow like this thing for you, more than no say the man dey lick bekus. And any man wey don dey lick bekus, woman must sit down for her head. Woman must use her slippers. This one na one of another good reason wey make a lot of our men life became miserable for Europe. Na it make some go say forget tradition. Why? Because our women don turn them. When woman go sit down, go dey cook, go use pan, you go take cook for you. When woman go dey cook, go work make cook for you. When woman go, because of oyibo, because our women majority out of 100 for Europe, man give 20 women na im free. Wey no dey say make their husband dey lick their bekus. And those men forget say that woman no go respect you based on say you dey lick bekus. And na there na im menstruation peace dey come out. And most of all these things, I dey call the pastor side, pastor because pastors I dey come for the church because our women, if you see them now, they never that they go church. I wan first tell the men their problem. Men, if you see most men for Europe, they are bekus licker. Most men for Europe, they don't forget say na the way they put their self na make women go use them anyhow. Women for Europe, they respect man wey know himself. Because when a lot of women want use men turn to sleepers, and most men when you are advising them, they're going to tell you say you dey talk to women here when your life is miserable. Yeah, this is Uyado Talk Show. When your life is miserable and you decided, when a woman sit down for your destiny, when a woman sit down for your destiny, he take your destiny, he tie am. Because why? Anywhere where waste product they come out, and a man go put tongue, you will lick and lick yansh. And the woman go conk your head. Now make most men they don't fit talk the midst of their friends. Because why? Our women don't hear them. And if you see skin, most women no fit stay husband ass. Why? These are most things wey make women no dey respect man. Most women for Europe no fit stay husband ass because of say dem need man wey go dey blow dem every day. Wetin be the cause of that? All those things wey dem no dey respect man. A woman no be all some good wey dem don blow. We know say for road work, club house, class work, any woman wey dey work, no be one cassava dey carry a day, no be two cassava dey carry a day, no be three cassava dey carry a day, no be four cassava dey carry a day, no be five cassava dey carry go. A woman wey fit carry, make we just say 10 cassava a day, and calculate am, a week 70 cassava enter his body. How can the one man satisfy that woman? Good evening, Josephine. However, A one man cannot satisfy such a woman. A woman where the reason why they lack those respect because our men put themselves down for those women. A man need to work with his culture and tradition to live what? A holy life. Most men life don dey miserable, but then they live. These are what we call dead among the living. We will say our women doesn't respect men. A man when you know say wetin you dey wan do with this woman, you no go no bad thing, it's an abomination. You go do am with am, and the woman come just want to tie you. Say if you talk, he go tell you say you dey lick kpekus. This thing generate wey make single mother food everywhere. A man wey no fit talk so when I dey lecture men and women on this issue, na for we to rehabilitate ourselves to live a good life. Road work, club work, house work don condemn most of our women and our men life. A woman cannot live happily with his husband. Una forget say except when we dey talk this issue, we are talking on what? On wetin go favor us. You understand? So when a man dey make mistake, you know why? If anybody talk like Osamudiame wan talk to Osamudiame, maybe you know when any man kick a girl to you know say dey lick kpekus. Like Osamudiame, he dey lick kpekus. If Osamudiame Osawe for Germany no dey lick kpekus, you know talk that way talk. Because when you are telling them the truth about life, about the life, majority of our men for Germany they dey lick kpekus like Osamudiame Osawe. Yes, I said it. We here don't fear nobody when he's talking. Why I talk now? When a man, you are giving an advice to stop licking kpekus so that your wife will respect you, you are telling is making automatically that man is a what? Among those men that has been controlled, that the woman don't sit down, don't lick kpekus, finished. Because we know 90% of our men in Germany lick kpekus. Wey marry Igbo before. It's genuine. No lie, nothing, we not be Adam. We all know, women know. Because we remember when white men women were using our men like slaves in Germany. Now they hear me? I, who hear the Kogobiri master, go speak the truth. Because why we dey talk this issue? Most men no know their right from left. They no know their right what from left. Because if they know their right from left, don't stop the kind of wayward life wey they live. Now, a woman carry church for head. As a man, your wife can comot every day church. Check your woman. Wetin be the what? The reason. Yes, he said till now, some of our men, thank you son, some of our men see the liquor for Germany. I know. They see the liquor. They see the do am. Because they are still doing it in Germany. Most men, you look and they say they fight and talk. But if you want to catch many men, come closer to them. you see their odor dey their mouth, so they spray mouth odor. Good evening, Merit Amadasun Frank. Majority who hear those talk show must say the truth. And 90% of our men in Germany lick bekus. Happy weekend, Merit Amadasun Frank. 90% of our men in Germany, they lick bekus. Yes, I know what they talk. That is why our women disrespect them. Our women now disrespect our men. That is why they now lack respect or respect our men. A woman, when you don't lick bekus, how you say make the woman take respect you? The woman cannot respect you. He cannot respect you. He cannot respect you. Because the woman knows say you not be man. You are not man enough. A man who call himself a man, before a woman go tell you say bed down low, go inside, he go know say this man different though. He not be like the rest men. We are sharing tears, crying. Say our men, our women, they respect us. Check the life where you live with the woman. Check out the life where you dey live. You dey leave the woman bekus. Check out. Like the pastor when they bring come out so. Like say they not bring pastor come out. No say they lick bekus. I come out today. Come talk on this issue. On the issue where our men to know their right from their left. To know say you are the cause which makes women see disrespect you. A lot of our men come become a woman rapper. And the woman will come disrespect you. I can't use this medium. Make my people know. Say this thing when me Uyado talk show they talk so. Now to educate our African women. I remember those days. We are proud of our women. We dey proud of our women. But now, spoil. Spoil. We no fit dey proud of our women. Because now, their life wey they can't live, can't spoil many things. And they can't use and the women know say, wetin dem dey do to that man na evil thing. But they will not lure the man. You as a man that need to stand as a man. They lure you. He will disrespect you. And another reason when woman they disrespect man for Europe. 90% of a woman wey don also must always disrespect a man. 10% is free. Because they are being possessed by other spirits. When they did their word. And why? The juju when they bring come from us, they give them to the work. Get side effect. You know when mama they do something, come give you pikin. Maybe they work, they get money. You go price with native doctor, you know tell the pikin everything. But the thing will come wait for you for front. We need to culture ourselves. They must what? Lack respect. 90% of the women out of 100 will never be submissive to their husband. They must be talkative. They must be parrot. They always, all they need is to beg me, vandalize me. And when you know it enter like when King Obiri they enter, how can you expect a man? A man no get strength like woman. Woman wey dey breastfeed, if he carry 10 cassava a day, a week 70 cassava, a month times 70 times times 4. A woman wey don fit carry 280 cassava in a month, you come marry her, you go come expect say make that man fit satisfy you? No. Women we dey try our best, but we no fit. Even Africa dey say talk so no anything lalaba boom. How much more make I turn it be like say a smoker. Let me tell you one thing, you people need to get this thing. I want to enlighten our people. Now, a smoker wey dey smoke every day, e dey smoke about 5, 7, 8 pack a cigarette a day, and the smoker now one come dey smoke 3 a day. How do you expect the smoker fit cope? He come dey smoke 1 a week. How do you expect how the woman take fit the man fit take cope? Na so e still be like this cassava. A smoker, a man who drink beer every day, he take 3 bottles of beer. Now you now expect the man come dey give am 1 bottle a day, a month. The man will be, he dey go dey sick the matter. Na so it be for some of our women wey don go hustling. You cannot expect women to satisfy you the way you dey chop am for road work, for club house work. No, we no fit. We dey try do our best. The truth need to be said. Who is calling so? Hello, caller. Hello? Yes. He said.
I greet you, Baba. I know you do online.
I don't like yes.
I dey feel your topic. I dey feel what you talk.
Yes. Yes.
I make I contribute small.
Okay. Where you for the call?
Talk, so, I dey call from Germany.
Yes, go on.
But I'm not about the use. You know, say what you talk, so
yes.
I'm the right thing.
Yes.
But sometimes the women on their part, I know they feel the blame because our men we gonna know so that a woman, that it be. We don't go to for house. You understand? So a man gonna know say this woman it is smoke. He did do this one, he did drink. He still get my friend like Whitey.
Like Whitey?
Carry that woman.
Yes.
For example, you go still carry that woman, you go still go marry her. Now we made the killing, now we men, now we put ourselves a problem.
Okay.
Many men they know all those things, they go do that or they pretend.
Yes.
You understand? So they go they pretend, they go they die inside.
Yes.
So any man who put himself for that condition, that man, that the biggest soul. Because in life, when your woman
at the year, go on, my brother, I just hear you.
For example, if you a woman, they do maybe a woman call this move for house, that you train the senior, which kind of life you teach to children? So for this young people, they say about that many men they don't set their life. So any man we not get right over a woman. So how that can be? So those women they don't do shit. Man go no. They go say to the man, the man should put it for us. So I don't debate the woman. don't put it for us and they clean.
Yes.
So make them eat before they buy.
Yes. You are right.
Now they go see so far.
Yes.
Many men know those things. Many men know. They know what the woman do. They know. They will repeat this. They don't know. They know, my brother. 100% of them. They know. They will pretend. So all those things when they see them, when they see them go around us, the man will pretend like say he don't know. What I say no. So my brother, you try. I like this topic so. Make most men the guess. Make them become condition.
Yes.
They put themselves for problem.
Yeah.
Some of them they go say maybe because of the one working the document, or because the one the DJ. My brother, your happiness and your good life matters a lot.
Thank you, my brother.
But they don't know how as I be now, my family, my man, I don't want to marry. My I don't want wife marry. I come from a Christian home. We know they smoke. I come marry why smoke. I come marry why we say they do all those things. How I feel presented to my family. And then the day, we see maybe one or two people in my family go don't for one bad place. That will feel about my life. Something like I will before us.
Yes.
So many men know, my brother. They know they pretend.
They know they pretend.
Those kind of men, so now they poke nose on another person will pass. Now they poke nose on another person will pass.
Yes.
You know that's because the only day they ask, they never kill them. They don't want to kill other people.
My guy, you did talk well. God will bless you.
You understand? Thank you very much for the program, man. I really appreciate you. I can hear you, my brother.
Thank you too much. God bless you.
All right.
Yeah.
God bless, man.
Yeah.
All right. Ciao.
Ciao.
Good night.
Good night. Yeah, my people, you see this guy will call now. He talk. These are the real facts. Most men, you go know say this woman is a smoker, is a drunkard, is a drug at the end you put that woman. And you know woman wey you put for her, you see dey sleep with, you see girl oyibo. And because of marriage, you are suffering your marriage. A woman enslave you. And you know this thing, you keep quiet. And wetin come dey pay me pass for all these men. When I who hear those saying the truth, don't come dey vex dey write nonsense because e dey their body, their woman dey there. It is better to call a spade a spade. Free yourself from that bondage. Our men, for you to live a happy life, when you see a woman wey dey with you, the life wey the woman dey live no be life wey you want. Call am to stop. If she no stop, call people wey close to you to advise her. So if she no stop, go away from her. Because me no dey advise to a man to leave woman before. But you cannot marry a woman that will enslave you. The destiny of a lot of men, it has been terminated, has been taken from our women. Our women has terminated their destiny by sitting down on the destiny of a lot of men. Many men are suffering in their marriages and smiling in the midst of their friends, and they are in pains. A woman wey you put for house, you go get oyibo boyfriend, you go get another black boyfriend. You as a man, because you need documents, you go dey bear, suffering and smiling. You are dying in silence. Our men, the time don reach wey una take open eye. We have a culture and tradition. And if you see her now, and the pastors wey know say wetin dis women dey do no good, pastor come dey encourage dem, na make the women dey go church well. and no be who pastor dey call the pastor come dey help you. They even, if you see, I heard talk one word that they say, when a pastor, a man of God is touching a woman navel, he say, I'm blessing you. He put on, he dey say, I body. The woman say, now, pastor dey bad anything o. He dey finger the woman. The woman say, if he enter here, now he dey shout. Because when pastor put on here, from the hand, look out to here. I bound you. Hey, you eat. The sickness here. Most married women. How can a pastor place hand on your navel and the end, and the tip hand, the middle hand is the center of the clitoris? When a pastor lay hand, he dey pray. I bound you. Hey, as he don't say if he dey do, I go dey finger the woman. The woman. Now you remember when the woman dey shout like say fall. Now they come. Most pastors in Europe, they don't cause confusion to many marriages. Now it make you smell our women. You no go fit talk come out. When you with your wife go get problem, pastor will go stop so to make peace. You no go make peace because why? He don't feel the intoto of your wife. And any woman wey carry church put for her, watch that woman. They go morning, night, morning. You know, say pastor, don't they touch her? Pastor, don't they do the thing? Pastor, don't they chop the millions of good things of your wife? If you see churches now, the women, they value pastor more than their man. No be only the American man be the pastor where they lick bekuso. No. Most pastors, they lick bekus. If the African man pastor go deny. When you see we have a lot of single mother everywhere, majority is even caused by pastors. A pastor will not tell you to reconcile with your husband, but a pastor will tell you to come and pay offering. Okay? So many things wey don cause this problem. I dey try come tell now why women disrespect a lot of men. And many men know their wife, they know within their heart say their wife get another man for outside, they no go talk. They will put curse upon their self. A man cannot see his wife. You know your wife have an affair. And you as a man, you know say it's an abomination because say you need documents, because say you need one thing, you will sit down. They happy. They sit down. They eat because your wife they bring beer for you. You dey chop ihu. You dey chop bokiyo. When you no carry your responsibility as a man, any man wey may get this thing for their brain, any man, I repeat, any man wey allow him wife night and day dey go church, my dear, no be only one dey sleep with your wife. I make the women of the pastor come ask me, may I tell una, give una evidence. A woman wey dey call her daddy be here. Daddy go press, he go touch here. Daddy go touch here. Where you no fit touch about your wife, pastor don touch am finish. Make una see this thing. We have a lot of single mother. How many pastors don call to reconcile with their husband for Germany, for France, for Italy, for everywhere? How many? Pastor will only allow you to remain a single mother so that he can help the Kokobiri to be vandalizing you. Most pastors are now assisting the Kokobiri to vandalize the single mother because they know if they reconcile you with your baby father, they know they enjoy again. Money not going to come. The free bakers not going to come. The free bamboo not going to come. Any woman will carry passport for head, check that woman. Because if you know the miracle when they do not a fake miracle, it's not a genuine from God. God, no, they do like this. May I tell you all those miracles? You don't see where God go. May I tell you now your juju, you go say move, go you go like 90% for. You go say pastor go scream for person man. Pastor go kiss a woman. Say na healing. Una no make I tell now. I want everybody to get this thing. Everything one they see when pastor do come out so. Now wetin they do secret before. When they kiss our women privately when we know they see. Now if they call they bring come out physical, maybe we all know that they do a secret. Una don't see any pastors, whether out there Adeboye Suleiman or they don't condemn all this the way all pastors they kiss and do because they do one. How they do one. These are the things where they do hide. They are not genuine. Out of 100 pastors, 10 are genuine. The rest 90 are after money and to help our women and their own breaker. They destroy many marriages. Ilele don't talk show. Iye boy one. You say one word, you say not all pastors, not be all women or not all pastors. Now, if pastor trust you here, remember, watch this show. Ilele don't talk show. Pastor pray out for you. He touch your ear. The kind when they touch and they pray. May any woman tell me whether they know they feel something for their body. May we call a spade a spade. Pastor touch here. He put hand here. And this right hand, the long one, set out, call they touch the jam. You know when he put hand here. Hey, no sir, I saw they do one. I hear you. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. And if you don't touch the clit, the woman say, hey, come on. Hey, don't you say a miracle? I like a sweetness. Waiting. Make women. May we see the truth. The talking and yeah, when I touch the wicked point of the woman, you'll see like not be now the sweetness. Most married women, pastor don't feel all of the finish. These are many things why our women know they respect our men there for you. Because the woman knows say you not be man. If you be man, you talk say you don't know what the pastor they do say they enjoy them. You did there. Pastor they feel am. Hello, my big mama. Yeah, I don't know. Àwẹ̀ pásọ̀ ìgbàre wa àwẹ̀ jẹ́tọ̀ ìpásọ̀ náà lè bọ́yọ̀ wọ̀ wọ́n yóò bọ́yọ̀ wọ̀ mẹ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ wẹ̀.
When we say now, Papa, we are not all pastors. There's a church in there, a party man. Everybody become a little bit because make way and everywhere. What a thought in there. The pastor about your body at better. Who is talking in the major CSCG of Oklahoma? Oh, my miracle. Oh, and maybe I'll say, when I see Ozabe. Hey, can let me have a church away here about the poor king away. I can't take care. Here, my test at the apple, the money and when he had the many. But the church is in the Wado for 22 years now. It's Alimana.
Only a big pastor, because a pastor need a man need feel anything about other women.
Because he's a man of God. The difference is that out of 100 you know.
Yes. Yes, no.
Because maybe I like Kevin on this year, and social media no. Only to set me up. Umanata go talk. Umanati go na re go talk. Also dia to see na. Before pastor wa me dey up at the me pass yege. Ke no wo ko ya.
A pastor ko no go word on the pastor no vandalize. Oh, Salopama Yoboyoma, we rise up and walk. Walk. Okay, I know what a married woman, a pastor, your boy, a sentence when up a qua opinion when or a qua a wiki point. When me pastor, up feeling up away, he, up feel out of feel boy, yeah. Now, but the woman I respect of that friend who were not that you were come, were married to feel I will not be at your book out my baby and where they gonna charge. When you go before when man go, oh, where a suspect will Waguani, you are one of my way. All that I'm not what the Google will not be a mammy of the piano Mugu. So that is what. We go, in. I will vandalize it with my phone. Yes. Damn it, any woman who may support a pastor, when a pastor in your yes, now. Only women, that is why I expect to be an old year you want here.
I thought prophet choose, I will prophet he prophet choose. He when I go anywhere Africa. We are multi matter
a book battery, we got a book battery, part of the door, no way, I'm wishing more the pastor, but not me.
Okay.
I'm not believe you will. Well, so thank you, Lele Do Talk Show.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So now see what they talk about. So this is why any woman where they go church every time for Europe, Africa, he put church one night if they go morning check am, pastor they enjoy the woman. I talk am. Pastor they enjoy the woman. Now make them they respect our men again because the man don't know his work. You as a man need to know your duty. A man need to know what his duty. When a man don't know his duty, automatically the man mess up. Now make me come talk on today. And any man when una see clay, e dey always support when I am preaching the good tidings to both the male and the female. And any man wey dey talk say you dey try to put talk to woman like this, dey talk to the lady, know say that woman, that man dey lick kpekos. Because a man know say na woman marry, I get sister, my mama na woman, I will want the best for my sister, for my mother, for my friends. That is why they see the moral lesson, moral conduct. When we are teaching people, they will say you are insulting them. No, it's not be insult. Change. We must live a good life. Our women respect man we put you for us. Men, please, when a woman get oyibo wey dey friend am and you know you keep quiet, you are a useless man. When you as a man, because of document, you shut up, make your wife they chop this different thing, you dey put curse upon yourself. And majority men for Europe, Germany, Austria, I know dem be kpekus liquor. Those men will fail come because oyibo na dey marry. Italy, Spain, Portugal, na our women wey dey Italy, wey dey Portugal, wey dey Spain, na teach our men wey dey this side how to lick kpekus. So how you say make woman take respect you? Because our women oyibo must leave their kpekus for work. We know that one. We know that one. Oyibo go pay o say no wan do anyone your lick am. But don't forget say that oyibo dey use am for something. As our boys take dey thief pint for Africa, take dey do na so oyibo be with kpekus licking. Women get this thing and get it in your score. When oyibo say make you give am kpekus lick, na your destiny. Na im make na now Africa know wetin oyibo dey thief pint. They dey take menstruation pint. When oyibo dey take when you dey period for road, you go give you money take am. Most of una wey oyibo don take una own, na im make una marriage no get peace. Na im make you become single mother and you need what deliverance. You need to contact me, Uyedo Talk Show, to deliver you. I will cancel you on that issue. Many women say na so oyibo collect my pint, he pay me. Wa lalo mo we, wa lalo you know the meaning wey dey lick am. Oyibo dey do their own in a good way, but e don rule your life. Your stars be taken from that man. Most women now don say the oyibo no, he just say me I give am pint. He just say me wan lick my kpekus. And after oyibo do all these things with these girls now, without you no lick kpeku, they no go come. When they marry man, they come use their man turn to dog wey dey turn dey drink water. Their husband come turn to kpekus wey dey lick, come use their tongue come dey sharpen the kpekus for their wife. So if you know say oyibo don collect your pint, oyibo don lick your kpekus well well, come and see me, you need deliverance. Contact Uyedo Talk Show. I am here to set the captives free. Because many of our women, the way our boys dey take client, na so oyibo take use una destiny. Well, thank you about phobia. During our parents, acobephobia. During our parents, you know this thing no dey. They turn everything. Na im make some of our women no fit born today. When some women dey cry for the fruit of the womb, you are the cause of your problem. Oyibo man wey you give your pint, Oyibo man wey you dey make dey lick your kpekus. Oyibo man wey you give your nyash to make dey lick your nyash. And all these things now our boys dey do for Africa now. Wey dem dey lick nyash, wey dem dey lick kpekus because for ritual. And you wey be woman, you use your hands give oyibo. And the man give you money, he say give me your pant. If you dey period, give me your pant, I need your pant. I wan lick your period. And many of the oyibo don lick their period. You put problem to yourself. Na it make you get problem for marriage. Na it make your home no settle. The carnal man can never understand the things of the spirit. It's only a spiritual minded man can only understand the things of the spirit. I have come to rescue those that have been hold down, tied down. Oyibo destroy a lot of our women's destiny. Many women not feel born today. They don't know the cause. Some not be, they say family not be family problem. During when you dey work, you share your children for the oyibo, your client, your make wey dey lick am, your menstruation wey you give one, na it make your problem. Some women go dey miscarry. No, na it. I am telling you the truth and nothing but the truth. These are the problems our women are facing now. If you see a lot of our women are in pains, I no fit born. My marriage not settle. Now you use your cause. I no get peace on my matrimonial. You love money, and at the same money, our guests come dey love for Africa. We be say Yahoo boys can detect the secret what we both do for this side. Now the same thing wey Yahoo boys dey do, na so we both do am. Make we call a spade a spade. We both do their own. You can sell am, he pay you. Now our women take sell their children, take sell their prosperity, take sell their happiness, take sell their joy. I make problem deal with them today. My people, you can still be delivered. You can still be set free. I am the eyes of the gods. I am here to set the captive free. Good evening, Zingbo sir. Thank you, son. My people, I am Uyedo Talk Show, the Kokobiri master, the husband to a single mother. That is why I want you all to live a good life, to have happiness. Many women use their hand cause their problem. When a woman is dey monitor your husband every time, they not they do this thing. They wait till husband they do, they talk am. Now part of the thing we don't sell for Igbo, now be that. So don't say we never get peace, so it might always be suspect, always think negative. These are the things wey many women they face. But until they realize, they no go get peace for their marriage. We here to talk more. Can they give you people this advice? Now it cause many women they in pains. You sell your pants for Igbo man. Igbo man lick your bekos. Bad thing. Today, I can give you this advice. No, don't forget to share the good news to everybody. Una picky. Here the talk show. Don't give you this advice. And those of you Oyibo don take e destiny. I don sell una pants. Don lick una kpekus. Una dey period Oyibo man lick am. He lick your yansh. Today you dey cry for pikin. You dey cry you no get pikin. You dey cry your marriage no dey peaceful and you don become a nagging woman. You na forget one thing, nothing goes for nothing. You be like say when you wan go dash beg am money, you pray for the money, you give it out. You take your pain, you give am. When Oyibo man come collect your cheat, Oyibo yokai say I wan eat your shit. If not before something, some women say when you want me, and you are Nissan worry your son. Before you eat your shit, my dear. No, nothing goes for nothing. Your destiny is taken by the white man. Now, that's what our Africa boys are doing now. You see, our Yahoo boys go take your pants, sell your pants, sell your bra, take your menstrual pants, and now wetin Oyibo dey do. We need to let our African women know that the pains they are passing through in Nigeria now is what our women have been passing through in Europe. They have sold their pint out. They have sold their kpekus out. They have sold their children out. They have sold their destiny out. But they claim pains, humiliation, death, sorrow. That is what is happening. Oyibo man come modelize their house for them. You go dey kill am small small. Go dey do am small small. But they no go know. Na make today come talk am. If you know you dey among these people wey this thing don happen, don give your pint to Oyibo man lick your kpekus and you come see now you no fit. If man no lick your kpekus, you no fit dey okay. Come and contact Uyedo Talk Show. We deliver you. The time has come for our women to be set free, to live a happy life, to be with their husband. A lot of our women are in pains, our men are in bondage. And this thing they now poison the man they are going out with. And I not forget, I have come to deal on this issue. The issue of pines, bra, speckle licking where our women they give Oyibo. May they know and their destiny, their children, their husband, and say out. And they will remain pains for life, sorrow for life, until they are be delivered. And the deliverer is here. God has sent me to come and help you people. Believe. You will see there will be a crafty baby in your home. Your destiny will be taken, will come back. So if you know you'll be single runs girl with the Europe, you dey waka, your pants, what you put take, your body lick your kpekus, my dear. You are finished. Tomorrow, no say which disturb you. No say no see be clean. No say now you use your hand. Cause I can't give you this advice. We are the talk show. The Coco Berry Master. The husband to a single mother. Can't give you this world. And don't forget. Say wait till the sweet is the key. I don't come save you now. From where the town now. Our women, when you know once they don't collect your pants, Oyibo don't collect your pants, Oyibo don't lick your bakos when you dey period, call me privately. Call me privately. I will tell you what to do. Oyibo dey lick when you dey period, lick am, and they lick your nyash, they lick your bakos. You collect your pants, you collect your bra. Contact me so that you'll be set free. I'm not joking, I'm not making fun, but that is why I want people to know the reason why the women disrespect me, that they are not loyal, because majority of them are being cursed, their destiny has been taken. You see, when Yahoo boy take our whole Nigeria gets so to kill them, they are like a waste. Now say before Europe, when the people take you automatically, they don't do their own way, you go, they go down. You will not be peaceful. Then they excel. Same thing, my goal. But this art can't come for healing. You're gonna take my word. You're gonna call me. If you are a woman, you don't do your own. You don't be single mother. Any man will come your way, they job you, they play you. Now you use your anchor. Contact me to live a happy life, a holy life, a life of joy, so that you can know the difference, the time when you to call me on the time, the life we were living before. My people, I have come to preach this good thing to our women and men. Stop those men, Nigerian men, where see they lick their wife bakos, where see they licky everywhere. They lick death, frustration, pain, sorrow, because you don't know why Oyibo lick those women can't let go. If you see him men where they lick women bakos for Nigeria, they use them for ritual. Chop nyash. Now they say they are called to say, really may do it for something like the white men, and they are taking your destiny, destroying you, taking all your children away from your womb. Many women have sold their womb away by licking. Lick man, made you go lick her, repair and lick her. But you will not cry the rest of your life, shed tears. Your life will not be miserable. No permanent man in your life. You become a condemned and a wayward single mother. I want you to contact me, and I will rest like this. Make una take care. Now use this word. They sleep. If you see women now, they don't stay. They don't stay with one boy, from one boy to another boy, from one boy to another. You teaching out the women fault. We both don't lick their destiny. They don't stay with one man. The woman don't stay with one man. Or you both don't lick her. Don't lick this. The woman feel saying they did normal. He not dead normal. He not dead normal. And some now when the both one, any man when the woman sleep, we go condemn the man too. There are different ways we all take do their own. I'm gonna take my word, and this word could benefit you now. Today, now be the word we are going to deliver to now. Happy weekend, and make una sleep well. And God bless everybody. See me tomorrow morning on my next program. God bless you all. And as you do, share. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Weirdo Talk Show YouTube. My own YouTube channel. Do subscribe. Do subscribe to my own YouTube channel, Weirdo Talk Show YouTube. Weirdo Talk Show YouTube. Subscribe. And as you do, God bless you too. Have a wonderful day. I remain the husband to all single mother, the Kokobere master, the true man, a man of wisdom, the true man, a great presenter with instincts. Don't listen to Satan, move with you. I and the eyes of the gods. So God bless everybody. You sleep well. See you tomorrow on my next program. Good night. For those that benefit from this program, please pass this message to our women and to our men. And as you do, God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Good night and sweet dreams.